Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind The Country Chic Cottage. Today I'm super excited to announce a secret that I've been keeping for quite a few weeks. I am launching a sublimation course called Sublimation Prep. So who is Sublimation Prep for? If you've always wanted all of my sublimation knowledge in a format that's in order, easy to digest, and small videos that you can easily reference back later, Sublimation Prep's for you. If you're a sublimation beginner, don't even know where to start, we start at the very beginning with an introduction to sublimation, move on to choosing your supplies, your printer, your heat source, software, sublimating your first project, and so much more. So if you're a beginner, don't know where to start, Sublimation Prep is the answer for you. If you've gotten into sublimation but are struggling, started but stopped because you were so frustrated, again, Sublimation Prep is for you. We have troubleshooting videos, a Facebook community where you can ask your questions, post your pictures, and get advice. So what is Sublimation Prep? What's included? So I have over 30 videos on sublimation topics, starting from the beginning all the way through making sublimation projects and frequently asked questions. There's over 15 printables, worksheets, and cheat sheets that you can use to print, to reference later, worksheets that will help you figure out what sublimation printer you need, what heat source you need, that type of thing. Then I have bonuses included for sublimation files, over 20 digital pattern pages that you can use to actually sublimate on your projects. And all of those files, the 4 files, plus the 20 digital pattern pages, all come with a commercial license that you can use if you plan on selling your sublimation crafts. All of our videos have captioning as well as printable transcripts. So if you have trouble following along with the video, hopefully those will help. And then I mentioned the Facebook community, but we'll have a Facebook community just for the Sublimation Prep members where you can ask any questions you have about the course, any questions that you have particularly about your sublimation setup or sublimation issues that you're having. And Sublimation Prep is launching this week. And for the first 2 weeks, I wanted to offer my followers a really significant discount. So this will be the lowest price the course will ever be during these 2 weeks. And I'm offering a limited time bonus just for the 2 weeks. So this is definitely the best deal you're gonna get on Sublimation Prep, and I wanted to do that as a thank you to all of my followers because I wouldn't be here without you and wouldn't be making all the sublimation content. So now I thought I'd give you a look behind the scenes of Sublimation Prep, scroll through, show you some of the content, and around the platform a little bit. So let's take a look inside Sublimation Prep. So once you log on to Sublimation Prep, you will see all of the courses I have down the side. Within the course, each of the videos has closed captioning as well as a downloadable transcript, and you can turn this closed captioning on or off. Some of the lessons have various printables as well as links to like my favorite suppliers, and if I have coupon codes for suppliers, I have those as well. Here you can see the lessons that we have. So we have an introduction to sublimation, sublimation supplies, sublimation images, heat press options, sublimation printers, sublimation without a printer, sublimation software, sublimation printer settings, sublimation blanks, sublimation time and temperature, then information on sublimating your first project and beyond, troubleshooting, and frequently asked questions. And then I have a series of bonuses and resources available for you as well. So now, if you're ready to dive in, or you just want to learn a little bit more, it's at sublimationprep.com, and I will drop a link in the description below this video if you cannot find that. I have all the information about the course itself, the bonuses, the limited time bonus, and you can find pricing there. So the 2 weeks of special pricing will end on November 9th. So as you're planning your budget, keep that in mind. That low price will end on November 9th. So I may have sales in the future, so sales on the course. However, this will be the lowest price you can get it at during these 2 weeks. So now, do you have any questions about Sublimation Prep, the course itself, or anything I've talked about? Ask those in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. If you like this video, I would love it if you give us a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So the sublimation content here on YouTube is not going to change at all. We will still have sublimation videos every single week, so you don't want to miss any of those. Be sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Then head on over to sublimationprep.com and check out that course along with all those bonuses and that special pricing for 2 weeks only. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.